Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you can understand this text, your English level is B1. In this video, we're going to learn some important English words and phrases that you need when talking about phones. We all use our phones every day, almost all the time. So, it's really useful to know how to speak about phones in English. This can also help you if you want to work in a call center or work from home. Let's start with the easiest phrase, to call someone. For example, I'll call you tonight. I need to call my dad. Let's call Gary or Anna. In British English, people sometimes say to ring someone instead of to call, but Americans don't really use that word. You can also say to give someone a call. It means the same thing. For example, I'm going to give you a call later. She gave him a call yesterday. Another informal way to say this is to hit someone up. This means to call or text someone. It's a casual way to ask something or make plans. For example, hit me up later if you want to talk. People on YouTube often say, hit me up in the comments if you have a question. There's another slang phrase, to give someone a buzz. It also means to call them, and it's informal. You can use it with friends or even at work if the situation is not too formal. For formal situations, you can say to make a phone call. For example, excuse me, I need to make a quick phone call. This sounds more polite or professional than just saying I need to call someone. Now, when someone calls you, what do you do? You answer the phone or answer the call. Another way to say this is pick up the phone. This usually means to answer, not to physically lift the phone unless the phone is on the floor. When the phone rings, you can also say, I'll get it. I'll take it. When the call is over, you hang up the phone. Hang up means to stop or end the call.